Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our microprocessor project, present Dr. Ziauddin, Assistant Professor, Brack University. The name of our project is Temperature Controlled Fan. The speed of the fan actually changes with the temperature of our surroundings. When the temperature of the surrounding is really high, what happens is our fan automatically turns on. We have set the initial temperature of the fan to a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of the surrounding reaches 26 degrees Celsius, as you can see here, it's around 26 degrees Celsius here. So our fan is moving now. So gradually, when the temperature will increase, we'll show that later on. Our fan, the speed of the fan will increase gradually, and if it is below 26 degrees Celsius, the fan will automatically turn off. The idea of this concept really came into our mind because of the problem nowadays, the summer day. What happens is it's really hectic that we cannot always get up from bed and turn the fan on and off, and it's very exhausting actually. So we have got this idea. We don't have to get up from bed. You just turn the system on, and the temperature automatically fluctuates, and our machine reads it, and the speed of the fan gradually changes over the range of temperatures. For example, if the temperature is 26 degree, or the person fan speed is around 20%, and when it increases gradually, it goes to 20%, to 40%, to 60%, and till 100% it can move, which is its full potential. So if you are feeling really cold in the morning around like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., if you feel really cold, you don't have to really get up from bed to turn the fan off, which can actually disturb your sleep. So the fan automatically does this work for you.
DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. It takes 3 volt to 5 volt power to run and maximum 2.5 milliampere current. The temperature range is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of 2 degrees Celsius. This is our microcontroller Arduino Uno. It has 16 digital input-output pins and 6 analog pins and a power jack. Here you can see a 16:2 LCD screen. It can show 16 characters in a line. It has 2 lines to display. For controlling the motor, we take L298 motor driver. It is capable of running 2 motors at a time, but in this project we used a single 12 volt DC fan. Here we can see that motor, and the motor's RPM rate is 3000 RPM. This DHT11 sensor detects the temperature and sends data to Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno sends signal to motor driver to rotate the fan according to the temperature, and the fan starts rotating. For constant power supply, we used a 12 volt power adapter. It passes power to Arduino Uno and into this motor driver, and fan start rotating.
As you can see, our temperature is right now 25 degrees Celsius, and that's why our fan is turned off. As we have mentioned before, our minimum temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. So when the sensor senses that the temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, it turns on. And now the temperature has again decreased to 25 degrees Celsius, and that's why it was turned off. And now our temperature is again 26 degrees Celsius, why it is on. And if we increase the temperature more, as you can see, the sensor we are heating up the sensor so that we can increase the temperature to show you that with the increasing temperature, the speed of the fan will increase. And we are increasing it by 20% by each degree Celsius, and as it hits 27%, it goes up by 20%, and it's 40%, and then if it goes to 28 degrees Celsius, it will go to 60%, and then when it will go to 29 degrees Celsius, it will hit up 80%, and at 30 degrees Celsius, it will go up 100%.